Hi guys, sorry I can't be there today. This is the warm-up for the inequalities video that you watched for today's class. So first I want you to look at the number 1, and I'll move it down a little bit so you can see all the answer choices. All right, so the directions are use the diagram to determine which statement is true. So which one of those is true? So right now I want you to pause the video, and then I will when you unpause it, I will explain it. Feel free while the video is paused, once you have your own answer, to consult with your group and see if you all agree, and then you can unpause the video and see if you were right. So if we are looking at this triangle, notice that this is the smallest angle, this is the medium angle, and this is the largest angle. So any of them dealing with angles, which is just E and A, would be ranking those in order. So H is the smallest, I is the middle one. Here it says J is the middle one, so it's not A. And then here it says I is smaller than H. That is not true. So now let's rank the sides. The side across from 35, that would be the smallest. The side across from the 60 would be the medium size. And then the side across from the 85 would be the largest. So I ranked them with my tick mark. So 1 is small, 2 is medium, 3 is large. All right, so in part B, it says HI is the smallest, so that's not correct. In part C, JI is the smallest. That's so far so good. And then HJ, that agrees with ours, and then HI is the largest. So C would be the correct answer. Here, this is saying HJ is bigger than HI, and that's not correct. HI is the largest. All right, moving on to number 2. So here the directions are which is the shortest side. So you can pause the video again. So now we've got two angles. So if we add those together, we have 110, which means this third angle has to be 70. So which side is the shortest? Well, that means that this is the smallest angle, so AC has to be the shortest side. So that would be A. Moving on, number 3. List the sides in order from longest to shortest. So pause it right here, and then when you unpause it, I'll explain. All right, so the third angle would be 80 degrees. So the smallest angle is 40, medium is 60, 80 is the largest. So sides rank from GE to GF to EF. So GE should be first. Oh no, we're going from longest to shortest. My bad. All right, so EF should be first. So that would be these two. So these are not in the running anymore. The medium is GF, so that would be this one. And then EG is the smallest. All right, next question. Number 4. Move this. A triangle has 2 sides that have lengths of 8 and 14. Which length below could not represent the length of the third side? Pause the video here. All right, so we know that if those are 2 of my sides, if I add those together, that'll give me the top length. So 8 plus 14 would be 22. And if I subtract them, and that'll give me the bottom. So that would be 6. So I know my third side has to be less than 22 greater than 6. Okay, so 7's okay, 13's okay, 18 is okay, 15 is okay, 22 is not okay because it has to be strictly less than, it cannot be equal. So that would be the correct choice. Moving on to number 6, we're going to use this diagram to solve this inequality. So pause the video here. So in order to solve this inequality, we're just going to plug in the expressions that we see here. So for AB, that's 3x plus 2. For BC, that's 4x plus 5. And then for AC, that is 6x plus 3. Okay, so if I combine my like terms on the left, I'm going to move over here. That would be 7x plus 7 is greater than 6x plus 3. Subtract the 6x. And then subtract the 7. So that would mean x has to be greater than negative 4. And that would be choice E. So for the rest of the time, you're going to be working on your practice. Please help each other out and use your time wisely.